another bashing video. And today, as you can see, I'm going to be bashing a chocolate Hello Kitty. And it's not a normal chocolate Hello Kitty. At the back, whoa, it has got a surprise egg in the inside. And we've also got another one here. And this one has a surprise inside. And so does this one. And it's also got some chocolate button eyes. Super cool, and it's really cute. And it's not hollow on the inside, it's just really hard chocolate. And I'm going to be bashing it with this hammer first, just like that. But if it doesn't work, then I have to bash it with this massive hammer. Wow, look at the size difference, guys. It's my favourite part, bash time. So we're going to try to get the egg out of Hello Kitty. 3, 2, 1, bash! Whoa, I think I need this hammer. Whoa, ready? Bash! Whoa, look at Hello Kitty. See, it's rock solid. This Hello Kitty is rock solid. That egg must never come out. Okay, I've changed my tactics. I'm going to bash the actual egg. Okay, let's do this. Bash! Whoa! Look at these stuff that are inside, guys. You can't see all of them, but look. Whoa! There's a Minecraft Kinder Egg right here. And a Hello Kitty blind bag. And another Hello Kitty blind bag. And another Hello Kitty blind bag. And another Hello Kitty blind bag. And guess what? Another Hello Kitty blind bag. Is that everything? Oh no! And we got this, but I'm not sure what this is. Oh look! A Kinder Egg, and it's Palace Pets. And a Kinder Joy. And there's lots of cracked pieces of the pink egg inside. My dad's going to have a go at bashing Hello Kitty because I could not do it. So here we go! That must have been easy, look! Whoa! One bash! Guys, look how smooth this is, wow! And also this piece is smooth right here, wow! And look, one of Hello Kitty's eyes has gone missing. Well, here's a little bit. That's so funny. Okay, it's time to taste some of Hello Kitty, and after I open all the surprises. So first let's taste a little bit of her eye. Yummy. It's Milky Way chocolate. Let's taste some of this. Oh, this is amazing. I love this chocolate. Yummy. It's time to open the surprises. So first, let's open this Hello Kitty blind bag. Whoa. And it's Lego. Ooh, this one's cute. It has a little sailor's boat. Hello Kitty! I think Hello Kitty is the mystery one, so that's super cool. So now let's open this Kinder Joy. Kinder Joys are so yummy. It's probably my best Kinder food. Let's open the surprise first. What's the surprise going to be? Whoa, that's a lot of pieces. So let's find out what it is and start to build it. Ooh, this looks cool. You can launch it and it goes into this basketball hoop. So let's get the pieces and build it. Here it is all built, and it's a basketball and a basketball hoop. And what you have to try to do is push this lever down and then the basketball should go flying. And if you get luck, it should go through the hoop. So let's try it out. Ready? Go! Oh, it's so close. Oh, this is going to take a lot of practice. Let's try to... Okay, let's try it again. Whoa, that went really high. This won't work. Whoa, it went backwards. That is weird. Let's go forward. That one just went up. Let's try it again. Hopefully, I'm really hoping this will. Ah! Okay, let's taste some of the Kinder Joy. Whoa! Oh, there it is. Let's taste some. Mmm, so yummy. Now let's move on to our next surprise. Which one? Let's open one of these Hello Kitty blind bags. This one's in a blind bag. That's cool. Whoa, look at this Hello Kitty. She's so cool. I'll put it with my other one. Whoa, she's a really good Hello Kitty. So now let's open this Hello Kitty blind bag. And this is series 2. Oh, this Hello Kitty's cute. Anything else in there? Oh, a paintbrush. Let's just pop the paintbrush into Hello Kitty's hands. I'm guessing she's an artist. The artist does not want to go in her hand. So here's my Hello Kitty. And now let's open this Hello Kitty blind bag. Whoa. Ooh, this one looks like a ballerina. She's so cute. Now let's open this Hello Kitty blind bag. Lots of Hello Kitty blind bags. Wow, one of the pieces. I'm not sure what this is. It's just a plain red circle. I think it's a lollipop. This in her hand. Okay, she has a green Lego brick. Put it there. Let's see, that one is done. Yes, I think it is, apart from these ones. So let's open the Kinder Egg. Oh, the chocolate! It's gone everywhere. Whoa, I got Ariel. And this one was a Palace Pets. Wow, let's build Ariel then. She's a very simple one to make. All you have to do is put the dress through and get Ariel. Like that. Oops, she fell. So here's Ariel all built. And look at the size of that dress. It's massive. So now let's open this last surprise, and then it's time for this giant egg. Oops, there it is. Ooh, this looks cute. Wow, look at this. Let's put this one here, and it looks like a princess, just like Ariel's a princess. So there are, wait, do I have, oh yes, I've got a Kinder Egg right here. I didn't see that one, because I just opened the Kinder Egg. Oh, I got Twilight. Yep, that's Twilight. And a pony. And this one she has wings. Oh, sorry, the wrong one. That's still wrong. There. And let's put her on her stand. The ponytail keeps on getting in the way. There. Here are my surprises. Here's my Kinder Egg toy. And here's Twilight Sparkle. And here's this princess. And here are some Hello Kitties. This one, and this one. And there's two more. And these two are from the same kind. And this one's actually my favourite. And here is Princess Ariel. And here's my last surprise. And it's Hello Kitty. She's so cute. And rainbow. Let's cuddle Hello Kitty. She's so soft and cuddly. I love her bow and she's eating a cupcake. I had lots of fun bashing Hello Kitty, but my dad had to get involved again. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye. Let's taste.
I'm definitely not excited.
Oh, I got that fish. Flip. I got that fish.